sitting in the town. Thank you for joining us. I'm Gary Libertor.
And I'm Storm Tracker 2 meteorologist Hannah Evans.
And Friday, I said happy Friday, so today I'll say happy Monday.
Yes, happy Monday. We're starting out with some rain this week, but we will dry out later today, and then our really nice days come back in on Wednesday, and it will be a really nice stretch through Saturday.
We have had a nice stretch, just a little bit of rain, and then back to nice weather.
Yes, so it's been a nice end of summer, I'll say. So let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. A few very light showers continuing this morning, but these are on their way out. Just be careful for ponding on the roadways and some patchy fog as you head out the door. It's also a bit chilly. We're in the 50s, 56 degrees in Little Falls, 54 degrees in Richfield Springs and in Earlville, but it is comfortable, 55 degrees for that dew point. So today, a few scattered showers do continue, but we are going to be seeing dry periods and peaks of sunshine. Tomorrow morning, we actually see a few lake effect rain showers as well before we'll start to dry out later in the day tomorrow. But no significant rain is expected and nothing really heavy is expected at this time. After tomorrow, it will be really nice and beautiful for the rest of the week through Saturday, where Saturday is our first official day of fall. So today, expect dry periods, peaks of sunshine, a few showers are possible with highs near 70. I will talk more about this nice stretch that is coming up, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. And don't forget, the Storm Tracker 2 forecast is never more than 10 minutes away. Well, police are looking for the driver.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired.
Welcome back. We are going to be seeing peaks of sunshine possible today, but we are going to be seeing a few light rain showers. Same thing tomorrow, some lake effect rain showers come in, but we are going to be seeing peaks of sunshine as well and some dry periods. Fully sunny skies start to come in on Wednesday, and they do last through the end of the week. We also start to get warmer. So today will just be near 70 degrees for the high temperature, just in the mid-60s tomorrow, and then we'll really start to warm up Wednesday in the lower to mid-70s through the end of the week on Saturday, and Saturday is our first day of fall. So looking ahead, partly cloudy skies today with scattered showers possible. Tomorrow, partly cloudy skies as well with lake effect rain possible, especially in the morning. Both of these days are not going to have significant amounts of rainfall. It's just kind of going to be light scattered showers. Heading into Wednesday, that's when it gets really nice with low humidity, and we continue to see this nice weather through Saturday. Gary.
Hannah, thanks. A consumer alert to pass along the
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are starting out with partly cloudy skies this morning. There's a few rain showers, so just be careful of ponding. Let's take a look at downtown Utica. As we can see, the roads are a little bit slick, so definitely be careful of that this morning. We're also seeing some patchy fog in some areas, so be careful of low visibility when driving. But today, we should be fine, just seeing some light rain showers possible throughout the day with lots of dry periods and peaks of sunshine. That heavier rain has moved out now. This is our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Just a few light showers lingering, and today we will continue to just see a few light showers. No significant rain is going to occur, and we will continue to see this move out into the northeast for today, with a few light lake effect rain showers picking back up for tomorrow morning. So today and tomorrow will be unsettled, but then after that it will get nice. Our temperatures this morning are in the 50s, so we're a little bit warmer than the past couple of mornings. 53 degrees in Inlet, 56 degrees in Whitesboro and Little Falls, and looking to the south, 56 degrees in Cooperstown. We will continue to see some scattered showers today with lake effect rain, scattered showers picking back up tomorrow morning. But then we'll start to dry out later in the day tomorrow, and we will be dry starting on Wednesday, and that looks to last through Saturday. So really nice days coming back in for the middle towards the end of the week. As for today, tomorrow, still lots of dry periods with peaks of sunshine, but if you did want to garden or anything, you probably don't need to water those plants since we will be seeing some rain. But then we will dry out Wednesday, so you probably need to water the plants Wednesday through Saturday, because that's when it looks like we will be dry. And this week, in case you need a reminder, first day of fall is coming in. So it's going to be Saturday, September 23rd. It comes in at 2:50 in the morning. So usually it would be Friday, September 22nd, but the autumnal equinox is happening at 2:50 a.m. Saturday morning for the first official day of fall. So today on our Skycast, we will continue to see Clouds this morning, and then we will be seeing a few breaks in the clouds throughout the afternoon with just a few light scattered showers possible. We're not going to be seeing any heavy, significant rain, and highs are just going to be near 70. Tonight, partly cloudy skies continue overnight with the low in the 50s. Tomorrow, lake effect rain showers pick up for the morning especially, but then as we head into the afternoon, we start to dry out and we see some sunshine before sunset tomorrow evening. Tomorrow will just be in the mid-60s. So today, expect more clouds than sun, but a few breaks in the clouds are possible, and we are going to be seeing breaks for dry weather. We will be near 70 degrees, and as for tonight, we'll fall into the 50s. Tomorrow, we will just reach the mid-60s, seeing a few light lake effect rain showers in the morning. We'll finally dry out Wednesday for a beautiful stretch through Saturday, which is the first official day of fall, Gary.
Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
What a 7-day forecast that is.
Yes, so last couple days and the summer, it's going to be nice.
Yeah, we've had 2 great weeks in a row.
Yes.
Hannah, thanks. The time right now, 5:20. Coming up, an update. Joining us for this half hour, I'm Gary Libertor.
And I'm Storm Tracker 2 meteorologist Hannah Evans.
And boy, what a nice end to the summer it's been so far. The last couple of weeks, amazing.
Yes. So just today and tomorrow, just a few light rain showers, but then after that, Wednesday through Saturday, which is the first day of fall officially, it's going to be really nice.
Yeah, no humidity. It's so nice.
No humidity.
Yeah.
I love it. So let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. To start, we're mostly dry now. We're actually just seeing a few patchy showers still moving through. We will continue to see the chance of some light rain showers today. No significant rain is expected, and we will be seeing lots of dry periods and peaks of sunshine. We're starting out chilly though. We're in the 50s, 55 degrees in Cooperstown, and 54 degrees in Earlville and Richfield Springs, but really no humidity, 55 degrees for that dew point. So today, few showers are possible. Same thing tomorrow, especially tomorrow morning. Lake effect rain showers are possible. Will start to dry out tomorrow later in the day. Then starting Wednesday, beautiful weather for the rest of the week. It continues with low humidity and sunshine into the first day of fall, which is on Saturday. So for today, expect a few light showers possible. We will be seeing more clouds and sun, but we also are going to be seeing lots of dry periods and peaks of sunshine. I will talk a little bit more about our nice weather coming up, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. And don't forget, the Storm Tracker 2 forecast is never more than 10 minutes away. New this morning, the
Cooperstown Cam is brought to you by Utica National Insurance Group.
Welcome back. Here is a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. This morning we are mostly dry, but we're just seeing a few scattered showers possible, and today just a few very light scattered showers are possible throughout the day. We are going to be seeing lots of dry periods and peaks of sunshine as well. But we are starting to see the leaves change at this time. Our first day of fall comes in on Saturday at 2:50 in the morning. So what happens is the cooler days bring out different chemicals in the leaves, and that allows them to change color. We are starting to see them change color with the peak fall color expected in the Mohawk Valley in the 3rd week of October. So those leaves really change color with cooler days and then the cool, crisp nights with sunshine during the days as well. So we are going to continue to see light rain today and a few light lake effect showers tomorrow morning. After that, beautiful stretch for the rest of the week and our nice first day of fall on Saturday. Gary.
Anna, thanks. The death toll from that devastating earthquake in
York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are starting out with just a few light showers this morning, but we're mostly drying out at this hour. And today we will continue to be mostly dry throughout the day. But let's take a look at our tower camera overlooking downtown Utica. As we can see, roads are slick, so just be careful of that. We're also dealing with some patchy fog this morning, so be careful of that as well. But today we are going to be mostly dry with just a few pop-up light showers possible. Here's our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar showing most of that rain has moved out into the east. We will continue to see that rain move out with just a few light pop-up showers throughout the rest of the day. Our temperatures are in the 50s this morning, 56 degrees in Whitesboro and Little Falls, 53 degrees in Inlet, and looking to the south, we have 55 degrees in Norwich and Hamilton. We'll reach near 70 degrees today, and we will continue to see unsettled weather through today and tomorrow morning. Tomorrow, with some lake effect rain is possible in the morning. We'll really start to dry out later in the day tomorrow, and we will be seeing beautiful weather starting on Wednesday, and that will last through Saturday. So if you did want to do anything outside, if you wanted to work on your garden, probably don't need to water the plants today and tomorrow because we are seeing some rain showers. But as we head into Wednesday, definitely probably need to start watering them Wednesday through Saturday because that's when we are going to be dry and really beautiful with low humidity, sunshine, and temperatures in the 70s. Now, Saturday is the first official day of fall. Fall autumnal equinox starts Saturday, September 23rd at 2:50 in the morning. So the first day of fall coming in on Saturday, and it looks like it is going to be a beautiful day with sunshine and highs right near 75 degrees with low humidity. So on our skycast today, we are going to continue to see just a few very light pop-up showers possible. No significant rain is expected. We'll be seeing more clouds and sun, but there is going to be a few peaks of sunshine with highs near 70. Tonight, we will continue to see clouds with the low in the mid-50s. Tomorrow, few light lake effect rain showers are possible in the morning, but once you head into the afternoon, we'll start to clear out and those clouds will start to clear up as well. Highs will just be in the mid-60s tomorrow. So today, expect more clouds and sun, but still some dry periods. Some peaks of sunshine are possible with a few light scattered showers also possible. Highs are going to be near 70. Tonight, few scattered showers continue with the low in the 50s. Some lake effect rain showers are possible tomorrow morning, but will start to dry out tomorrow later in the day. Our beautiful weather starts on Wednesday with low humidity and highs in the 70s, and that lasts through the first day of fall on Saturday, Gary.
Looks like a nice 7-day forecast.
Yes, another nice week, and it's nice to end summer officially this way.
September's always pretty gorgeous, though.
Yes, it is.
Hannah, thanks. The time right now is 5:53. Joining us, I'm Gary Libertor.
And I'm Storm Tracker 2 meteorologist Hannah Evans.
And I hope you got out there and enjoyed this weekend because it was gorgeous.
Yes, it was nice. It was a little bit cooler, more fall-like. And then today and tomorrow will be the same before we'll start to see nice weather come in again.
And lucky for us, the rain that came overnight.
Yes, so right now we're just expecting just a few light showers throughout the day, which is fine.
Yeah, good for us.
Yes, so let's take a look now at the Oracle Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. The heavier rain moved through overnight, and we are dry now this morning, just seeing a few light showers in some areas, more like a mist. We're also seeing some patchy fog, so be careful of that. And we're in the 50s to start, 56 degrees in Whitesboro and Little Falls, 55 degrees in Cooperstown. Not humid though, 55 degrees for the dew point. So today, a few showers continue, but we are going to be seeing lots of dry periods and peaks of sunshine, and into tomorrow morning as well. Tomorrow morning, we do see some lake effect, very light rain showers before we start to dry out. After tomorrow, beautiful weather continues for the rest of the week with low humidity and sunshine. And even for the first day of fall coming up on Saturday, it's expected to be very nice. So expect dry conditions today with peaks of sunshine. A few light showers are possible. Highs are going to be near 70. I will talk a little bit more about that nice weather coming in midweek. Coming up, Gary.
Anna, thanks. And don't forget, the Storm Tracker 2 forecast is never more than 10 minutes away. Utica police are looking for the
WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired.
Welcome back. Today and tomorrow we will be seeing a few breaks in the clouds for some sunshine, but it looks like we are going to be seeing more clouds and sun with a few showers. As we head into Wednesday, that's when we see our beautiful sunshine come in, and that really nice weather lasts through Saturday with low humidity and once again sunny skies. Highs are just going to be in the 70s towards the end of the week. It's going to feel nice and comfortable. But as for today and tomorrow, it's going to feel a little bit chilly. Highs just near 70 today, in the mid-60s tomorrow, and then once again lower to mid-70s as we see that really nice weather start to come in on Wednesday. Today and tomorrow, a few light showers are possible. Tomorrow we will be seeing those light showers, especially in the morning, and that's due to lake effect rain. But then after tomorrow, everything clears up. Beautiful weather with low humidity and sunshine continues through Saturday, which is our first day of fall. Gary?
Gorgeous week.
Yes, I'm excited.
Hannah, thank you. A consumer alert to
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are starting out wet this morning. Roads are wet, but today we are going to start to dry out with just a few light showers possible. So let's take a look at downtown Utica. We are starting out with some clouds this morning. Roads are slick, so be careful of that. We're also seeing some patchy fog, so be careful of low visibility. But today we are going to be mostly dry. A few light scattered showers are going to be possible, but it looks to dry out from that heavy rain that we did see overnight. Here is our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are dry on our radar. It is reported that we are seeing like misty conditions this morning, so just be careful of that. Be careful of the slick roads and some patchy fog. But today we are going to mostly dry out with cloudy skies expected. A few light showers are still going to be possible, though. No significant rain is expected. Our sky watchers have us in the 50s this morning, 56 degrees in New Hartford, 57 degrees in Clinton. Looking to the south, we have 54 degrees in Hartwick, and in Milford, we are going to reach near 70 today, but it's still going to be on the cooler side. We are still expecting the possibility of a few light scattered showers. A few showers continue into tomorrow morning. That's due to lake effect rain, but tomorrow later in the day, that's when we start to dry out, and then we will be dry for the rest of the week, even into the start of the weekend. So if you did want to do anything outside, like garden, do any yard work, you probably don't need to water the plants today or tomorrow because some light rain is expected. But then as we head into Wednesday, definitely need to water those plants through Saturday because that's when we will be dry and see our beautiful weather make a return. Our first official day of fall starts on Saturday, September 23rd at 2:50 in the morning. That's when the autumnal equinox happens. So our first day of fall is Saturday, and it is still expected to be really nice on Saturday with sunshine, low humidity, and highs in the mid-70s. So we do have a nice stretch coming back in, but as for today and tomorrow, a few light showers are possible. By noon today, we'll start to see a few breaks in the clouds for some sunshine, especially towards the west, but still very light showers are possible throughout the day. Highs will just be near 70. Tonight we'll fall into the 50s, still seeing some showers continuing. And tomorrow, same thing. We start out with clouds. A few lake effect rain showers are possible. We'll just reach the mid-70s or mid-60s, excuse me. But by later in the day tomorrow, that's when we start to see the clouds break up and some sunshine before sunset, and that's when we will dry out. So today, expect more clouds and sun, but a few peaks of sun are possible. A few scattered showers are possible as well, but lots of dry periods throughout the day with highs near 70. Tonight, a few showers are still possible overnight with the low in the 50s. Tomorrow, rain starts in the morning. Lake effect rain showers, very light, no significant rain expected. We'll dry out tomorrow night, and we will be seeing a nice stretch through the first day of fall on Saturday, Gary.
What a nice week it would be to have off.
Yes, it would be perfect to have off this week. It's like kind of like a mix of fall and summer weather, and then fall starts on Saturday.
Yeah, no humidity.
No humidity.
It is nice. Hannah, thanks. Be sure to like us on Facebook.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, timely.
Happy Halloween.
Yeah, happy Halloween a bit early.
Yes, and then fall, first day of fall, Saturday. So today, tomorrow will be a little iffy, but then starting Wednesday through Saturday, it's going to be really nice and beautiful.
Wow, we are lucking out.
Yes, we are. So let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. This morning, we are dried out now, just seeing like a light mist in some of our areas, and we're also seeing some patchy fog, so be careful of that. Today will remain unsettled because we are going to be seeing the possibility of some more light scattered showers throughout the day, but lots of dry periods and peaks of sunshine are possible. We're in the 50s this morning, 56 degrees in Whitesboro and Little Falls, 55 degrees in Cooperstown. It's not humid though. We have 55 degrees for the dew point as well. So a few light showers today, and then tomorrow morning too. Tomorrow morning is going to be lake effect rain showers, but no significant rain is expected, just light showers. After tomorrow, beautiful weather comes in for Wednesday, and that will continue through Saturday, our first day of fall, and it is going to be really nice with sunshine, highs in the 70s. So it is going to get really nice after today and tomorrow. Today, more clouds and sun, but still some dry periods, peaks of sunshine, and then a few showers are possible. I will talk more about that nice weather coming in midweek. Coming up, Gary.
Anna, thanks. And don't forget the Storm Tracker 2 forecast, never more than 10 minutes away. New this morning, the clock is...
The Cooperstown Cam is brought to you by Utica National Insurance Group.
Welcome back. This morning, we're mostly dry now. This is our Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar. A few light showers are still possible, and then we are seeing some misty conditions and patchy fog outside this morning. But we are starting to see cooler weather the past week, and then this week it will be a little bit cooler. The trees' chlorophyll starts to break down, and that's how the leaves change colors with other chemicals coming in. And our brightest colors when the trees change usually happens when during the summer it's dry, and we have been mostly dry lately, and we have cool, crisp nights at night, which we have been seeing lately as well. So hopefully this year the leaves colors are going to be super bright because of these conditions. So we do continue to see a few light showers for both today and lake effect rain tomorrow morning, but then we'll finally dry out on Wednesday with really beautiful weather coming in through Saturday, which is our first day of fall. It's on Saturday. Gary.
Hannah, thanks. An art world mystery is solved.
York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are starting out with cloudy skies this morning. We're mostly dry now, but conditions might still be a little bit slippery this morning. So let's take a look at downtown Utica. As we can see, cloudy skies, roads are a bit slick, so be careful of that. And we're also seeing some patchy fog, but conditions will start to improve later today. We are mostly dry on our Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar. The heavier rain did move off into the east last night, but misty conditions are still going to be possible this morning, along with cloudy skies and some patchy fog left over from the cold front that has moved through. We're in the 50s, so warmer than the past couple of mornings, 54 degrees in Old Forge and 56 degrees in New Hartford. Looking to the south, we have 55 degrees in Cooperstown, Evanston, Westford, and in West Lawrence. Today we'll reach near 70, and we will continue to see unsettled weather, but there are always going to be lots of dry periods and peaks of sunshine as well. So this morning, Nala and her neighbor Memes are trying to see each other through the fog and the mist, but Memes is trying to stare really hardly, trying to see Nala, but it is a little bit difficult, so just be careful when driving. In the afternoon, though, they will be able to see each other, as we do see some peaks of sunshine and lots of dry periods, but scattered showers are still going to be possible throughout the day. I know Nala and Memes want the sunshine. So today and tomorrow, scattered showers continue. Tomorrow, most of this will happen in the morning. Lake effect rain showers are possible, but then we'll dry out later in the day, and we'll finally be dry Wednesday through Saturday this week with beautiful days coming in. So if you did want to garden, I would say you probably don't need to water the plants today or tomorrow since it is going to be unsettled. But starting on Wednesday, probably need to water them through Saturday as it is going to be nice, dry with sunshine and temperatures in the 70s. On Saturday is the first official day of fall. The autumnal equinox happens Saturday, September 23rd at 2:50 in the morning. And the good news is that it looks like we are going to be seeing beautiful weather for that, with sunshine and highs in the mid-70s. But as for today and tomorrow, a little bit unsettled. We do see more clouds than sun today, but still a few peaks of sunshine are possible, along with dry periods throughout the day. No significant rain is expected, but a few light scattered showers are going to continue to be expected throughout the day. Tonight, same thing, clouds, scattered showers are possible, a low in the 50s, and tomorrow will be cooler. Highs just reach the mid-60s, and we will continue to see scattered light, especially in the morning showers. Lake effect rain is possible tomorrow morning, but then in the afternoon, evening, we start to see those clouds break up and some sunshine come in, and we will be dry starting Wednesday. So expect more clouds and sun today, but still no significant rain is expected. We will be seeing peaks of sunshine, and we will be seeing dry periods with scattered showers possible. Tonight we'll be falling into the 50s with scattered showers still possible. Tomorrow, lake effect rain showers are possible in the morning. It's going to be cooler tomorrow, highs just in the mid-60s. Finally, we dry out to some sunshine starting on Wednesday. Really nice weather continues through Saturday, our first official day of fall, with highs in the mid-70s. Gary.
What a gorgeous 7-day forecast.
Yes, and really nice weather for the end of summer.
Yeah, a lot of time to get out there in the yard and do some yard work and get ready for the winter.
Yes, for sure.
Hannah, thanks. The time right now is 6:53. Still ahead on
From where the news comes first, this is News Channel 2 at 7 a.m. on CW11.
Good morning, everyone, and thank you for joining us here on the CW11. I'm Gary Liberatore.
And I'm Storm Tracker 2 meteorologist Hannah Evans.
And if you head out this morning, it may be a little bit wet on the roadways, but that's coming to an end, right?
Yes, so today will be mostly dry. Just a few showers are possible, nothing like severe or anything. Same thing tomorrow, but then Wednesday it gets nice.
Yeah, gorgeous week ahead.
Yes, Wednesday through Saturday is going to be really nice.
Yeah.
So let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. This morning we're mostly dry now. We're just seeing some light showers possible and also some misty conditions along with patchy fog. We're a little bit chilly. We're in the 50s, 56 degrees in Cooperstown and in Whitesboro. Today we'll reach near 70 degrees and we won't really be humid either. We just have 55 degrees for that dew point. So some light showers continue today into tomorrow morning as well. But after tomorrow, beautiful weather for the rest of the week and a really nice day on Saturday for the first day of fall. So expect lots of dry periods throughout the day, and we are going to be seeing a few peaks of sunshine, but more clouds than sun is expected with a few showers also possible. I will talk more about that nice weather coming in midweek coming up, Gary.
Hannah, thank you. And don't forget, the Storm Tracker 2 forecast is never more than 10 minutes away. Well, Utica Police.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are starting out with cloudy skies this morning, patchy fog as well, but we are going to be seeing breaks in the clouds for some sunshine later. So let's take a look now at downtown Utica. Roads are still a little bit slick this morning, so be careful of that. Once again, some patchy fog and some cloudy skies, but we will start to see improving weather later. Our heavier rain did move out overnight. Here's our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. This morning we're just starting out with some light showers, misty conditions as well, along with this cloudy skies and this patchy fog. But once again, a few breaks in the clouds for some sunshine are possible later, but it looks like it will be mostly cloudy today. Our sky watchers have us in the 50s, 57 degrees in Clinton and in Mohawk. Looking to the south, we have 54 degrees in Hartwick and in Milford. Highs today are going to be right near 70 degrees, but we will continue to be unsettled with scattered showers possible, but it's not going to be a whole day event, and we're not expecting any heavy or significant amount of rain, just very light showers. Same thing for tomorrow morning. Lake effect rain picks up for the morning, but then we'll clear out tomorrow later in the day, and we'll finally be dry starting Wednesday through the rest of the week. Perfect weather for yard work or gardening. Don't need to water the plants today or tomorrow, but you're going to need to water them Wednesday through Saturday, as that is when it will be dry with sunshine and it will be above average. Our first day of fall starts on Saturday. It's Saturday, September 23rd, and the autumnal equinox is at 2:50 in the morning on Saturday. So our first day of fall is looking to be above average with sunshine and highs in the mid-70s. As for today, though, we'll be right around average with highs near 70 degrees. We will continue to see more clouds and sun, but still a few breaks in the clouds are possible. Lots of dry periods throughout the day with some light scattered showers. Tonight, the unsettled weather continues overnight with light scattered showers and a low in the 50s. Tomorrow morning, lake effect rain picks up. No big deal, really, just light showers once again through the morning. But as we head into later in the day tomorrow, we start to see a few breaks in the clouds for some sunshine. We'll just be cooler tomorrow. Highs are just going to be in the mid-60s. So for today, expect cloudy skies with a few breaks in the clouds for some sunshine. Light scattered showers are possible with highs near 70. Tonight, we'll continue to see the unsettled weather with the low in the 50s. Tomorrow, lake effect rain picks up in the morning. We'll be just in the mid-60s tomorrow. We'll finally start to dry out tomorrow later in the day, and Wednesday through Saturday is looking beautiful. We'll be above average in the lower to mid-70s with low humidity and sunshine. Rain returns on Sunday.
Forecast today. Here is meteorologist Hannah Evans.
We are tracking just gloomy weather overall today with cloudy skies and misty conditions still continuing this afternoon. But let's take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We did see heavier rain move through overnight. That has moved out. We're just seeing misty conditions kind of now with cloudy skies, and still a few pop-up showers are going to be possible this afternoon as it remains unsettled. We are cool. Our temperature right now is just at 62 degrees, but it's not humid. We have 55 degrees for the dew Point. So still gloomy weather continues today. Tomorrow morning as well, we may be seeing a few lake effect rain showers, but we'll start to clear up tomorrow night, and beautiful weather comes in for Wednesday and for the rest of the week, including the first day of fall coming in on Saturday. So today, expect cloudy skies. A few peaks of sunshine are possible here and there. I will talk a little bit more about when this rain will come to an end coming up, Gary.
Hannah, thank you. And a reminder, if you live in the city of Oneonta,
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody. We are still seeing cloudy skies at this hour and overall just a gloomy day continuing. Let's take a look at downtown Utica. Once again, cloudy skies continue at this hour. We're also seeing kind of like misty conditions outside, but we have mostly dried out from all the significant rain we have been seeing. And on our Mesonet cameras across central New York, we're starting to see some peaks of sunshine, like if we look up in Camden. Also in Redfield, it looks like we're seeing some blue skies there. So clouds should start to break up a little bit for a few peaks of sunshine for the rest of the afternoon. But a few pop-up showers are still possible. This is our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. And we see to our west, a few pop-up showers are developing over there near Rochester, along with a few weaker thunderstorms. So it's still possible today to see some more rain showers, but at this point we are dry. Just tracking cloudy skies at this hour and cooler weather. Our skywatchers have us just in the upper 50s to 60s. 59 degrees in Maryland, 62 degrees in Clinton, and 57 degrees in Old Forge. So Nala and her neighbor Memes today are a little bit upset over that. Today she's saying hi to Memes, who's kind of staring at her, trying to see her through the mist and the clouds. But they are excited for Wednesday because everything clears up Wednesday, and that's when the next chance of sunshine will be. So once again, today and tomorrow, a few scattered showers are possible. Tomorrow it's going to be especially in the morning, and looks like we will be seeing some lake effect rain showers. No significant, really any rain. It's just going to be light showers. We'll finally dry out Wednesday and will remain dry into Saturday, which is the first day of fall. And with this cooler weather we have been seeing for the end of summer, this is kind of going to cause the leaves to start to change. We've already been seeing the leaves change, the chlorophyll breaking down, and once the chlorophyll breaks down, the leaves do turn different colors. And the brightest colors usually come when we see cooler days in the summer, cooler nights, and some sunshine during the day. So we have kind of been seeing that recently, and we will continue to see that up until fall comes to an end on Saturday. Our first official day of fall is Saturday morning. It comes in at 2:50 in the morning. That's when autumnal equinox is. So finally, fall is just around the corner. We will be seeing above average temperatures, though, after tomorrow for the rest of this week. So on our Skycast today, a few pop-up showers are still possible. I'm thinking we'll stay in the 60s today, mid to upper 60s for the high temperature because we have been cloudy. And tonight will fall just into the 50s. Tomorrow morning, lake effect rain showers are possible. Very light, though, if anything. We will start to see those clouds break up tomorrow afternoon for some sunshine before sunset. We'll still be in the 60s tomorrow. So today, light showers are still possible along with cloudy skies. So just a gloomy day overall with some light rain possible tonight. We'll remain cool tomorrow with lake effect rain showers in the morning, but then we head into Wednesday. It starts to reach above average temperatures in the lower 70s with sunshine. We will continue to see sunshine through Saturday, which is the first day of fall, and we'll be above average, mid to upper 70s. Scary.
Hannah, thank you. Turning now to the intense manhunt for this half hour. Once again, here is meteorologist Hannah Evans.
We are still seeing cloudy skies and just gloomy weather this afternoon with cooler weather as well. But on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, the heavier rain has moved out. We are just seeing kind of like misty conditions now, and it is still possible to see a few showers move in this afternoon as we are seeing some developing to our west. Our temperature is just at 62 degrees being measured at the Rivers Park Airport in Rome, but it's not humid. It's just a little bit cooler with cloudy skies continuing, and we do even see a few lake effect rain showers continue into tomorrow morning. We'll start to dry out tomorrow later in the day for beautiful weather coming in on Wednesday and continuing through Saturday, which is our first day of fall. So expect cloudy skies today. A few peaks of sunshine are possible. A few showers are also still possible, and I will talk more about this nice weather coming up, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Illinois will become the first
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody. We are still tracking cloudy skies and just gloomy conditions today with a few light showers. So let's take a look at downtown Utica. Cloudy skies continuing here in Utica. On our Mesonet cameras, still seeing cloudy skies for most of us, but some peaks of blue skies in areas like we see in Camden and in Redfield at this hour. It is possible to see a few breaks in the clouds for some sunshine for the rest of the afternoon. But it's also possible to see a few more showers. Here is our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We're mostly dry now. We're actually seeing like misty conditions in some areas outside of this hour that's not showing up on the radar. There is also a few showers to our west out near Rochester that are possibly going to be making its way in, so a few pop-up showers are still possible for the rest of this afternoon. We're also cool. Our skywatchers just have us in the upper 50s to low 60s. 59 degrees in Maryland, 64 degrees in Ilion, and 57 degrees in Old Forge. We will continue to see scattered showers even into tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning, a few lake effect rain showers are possible. Once again, no significant rain is really expected, and will dry out tomorrow later in the day for dry weather coming in starting Wednesday, and that will last for the rest of the week through Saturday. Saturday is the first day of fall, and we are starting to see the leaves change at this time of year. That's when the chlorophyll breaks down in the leaves because it is getting cooler outside, and that allows those leaves to release other chemicals and change colors. And the brightest colors usually come when summer is dry and we do see cooler nights. So we did kind of see that last week, and once Wednesday hits, we'll start to see that again towards the end of summer. Once again, fall starts Saturday, so hopefully the leaves are bright for this year for fall. The official start of fall is going to be Saturday at 2:50 in the morning. So that's when the autumnal equinox begins and fall continues after that day. So today on our Skycast, we are seeing the possibility of a few more pop-up showers. I'll say highs are probably going to be closer to the mid to upper 60s rather than 70 degrees because it's still cloudy. And tonight will continue to be cloudy with the low in the 50s. Tomorrow will be cooler. Highs just reach the mid 60s tomorrow, and we continue to see some light lake effect rain showers in the morning before everything starts to clear up later in the day. So expect cloudy skies to continue today, and a few showers are possible. Highs are just going to be in the upper 60s. Tonight will fall into the 50s, a few light rain showers still possible, and will be cooler tomorrow with lake effect rain in the morning. We'll dry out later in the day tomorrow, and nice, beautiful weather comes in starting Wednesday, and that will last the first day of fall on Saturday. Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Now to former President Donald Trump already facing
Cast tonight, Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. All right, it wasn't a washout today, but
No.
Not at all, no. Drizzle, though.
Turned out to be pretty nice here in the afternoon, and we are going to be seeing some more rain showers here as we head into tonight. We do have a nice break in the weather for now. Let's take a look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We do expect to see some showers redevelop overnight. Even as early as this evening for some areas, we do have some downpours just west of Rome. These are moving really slow. These will be eventually moving to the east and impacting the North Country. Again, a couple of showers and maybe a brief downpour is possible this evening. Most of the precipitation will be generally light. Current temperature is 69 degrees. We had a cold front move through earlier today, and we do expect the weather to cool down as we head into tonight, with a few lingering clouds and showers. This will continue into tomorrow, but then the weather looks really nice here for the remainder of the week. And we also have the first day of fall officially arriving on Saturday. We'll talk more about that. Again, a few passing showers this evening, tracking a generally nice stretch of weather ahead. A look at the forecasts coming up. Kristen, back to you.
The United Auto Workers historic strike.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Turning out to be a nice day across central New York. A cold front came through earlier this morning and been able to see at least some sunshine here this afternoon. Let's take a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are starting to change. We do have some showers that are approaching from the west. These will be arriving as we head into tonight, and we'll be seeing more clouds and showers as we head into Tuesday morning. As that cooler weather drives in, temperatures tomorrow look to be about 5 to 10 degrees colder than today. We'll make it into the low 60s. A live look outside. Still getting a few breaks of sunshine in the distance here. This is a look in downtown Utica. Our chance of rain again increases tonight, and we're going to look for some scattered showers across the region. And then some showers will be around first thing in the morning. Things will gradually dry out heading into the afternoon. So much like today, we start out gloomy. We should see some sunshine before the day is done. And then Wednesday looks a lot nicer with a return to sunshine. In fact, that is the best time to cut the lawn. That or Thursday, those days look nice and dry. We should see a return to sunshine both of those days. And again, tomorrow, clouds and showers, not a good day to cut the lawn. Our MoCast, by the way, is brought to you by Clinton Tractor. So we're tracking some rain to the east of us. That stays east, but it does bring in a northwest wind, which means it is going to be cooler tomorrow. And again, we're going to see some clouds and showers early in the day. Looking at our Storm Tracker 2 Skycast, again, partly cloudy skies early this evening, but then again, the clouds will be moving in from the west. By tomorrow morning, we start out with overcast skies. And again, it is going to be kind of a gloomy start to the day. A few very light showers are possible in the morning, lingering into the early afternoon. The breeze picks up, the weather improves for the afternoon and evening. Temperatures climb into the low 60s. Tomorrow night, skies clear out. That's going to help temperatures drop into the low 40s. So pretty chilly night tomorrow night. And then we're going to see plenty of sunshine on Wednesday. Looks like a beautiful day with high temperatures approaching 70 degrees. Tonight, a few showers lingering around, down to 54. Tomorrow, cloudy skies, showers in the morning, breezy, and a little bit nicer in the afternoon. A cooler day with temperatures in the low 60s. Your Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. The weather greatly improves on Wednesday. It's sunny, temperatures in the upper 60s. Chilly on Wednesday night. I think some places may get down into the mid-30s. So the outlying spots may see the chance for some frost. And I'll be more specific on that as we head into tomorrow. Thinking more like the Adirondacks, not the Mohawk Valley, but if you do live in one of those places, you're going to want to be paying close attention to that.
All righty.
Oh, wow. I feel like it happened fast.
It always does. It always
does,
seems too
right?
quick.
Sneak up on us.
Yeah.
I hold on to summer as long as I can.
Yeah.
That's my own fault. All right, Bill, thank you. I bet you didn't know the city of Utica hasn't snow, but first we have to get through fall, and it's starting to feel that way, right, Bill?
Yeah, and fall officially begins on Saturday, very early Saturday morning. That is where we also have the what's called the autumnal equinox, where the Earth is halfway between the winter solstice and the summer solstice. We get about 12 hours of daylight on Saturday, and of course it's going to continue to get darker and darker in the evenings as we move forward. Again, Saturday, first day of fall, which is the 23rd. Sometimes it's on the 22nd, and again, it just depends on where that specifically lines up in Earth's rotation around the sun. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, looking at a few scattered showers approaching from the west. So we've had some sunshine this afternoon, but the clouds will return as we head into this evening. Just keep that in mind if you're going to be taking the dog out for a walk. Temperatures will be in the 60s, and you may want to grab the umbrella. Certainly keep an eye to the sky. Again, some approaching showers are expected. Tonight's featured dog is Princess Leia from New York Mills. If you want to be part of this, head to Bill's Buddies on Facebook. We're tracking some rain for Tuesday, some nicer weather later this week. A look at your forecast is coming out. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you.
It's more like Chewbacca.
I know, right? A little bit furrier. 2 local band teachers.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
After a gloomy start to the day, the weather has improved. We are tracking a few more showers, though, for this evening and tonight. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. You can see more showers very slowly approaching from the west. A few of them currently over Rome, moving east, and more as you head towards Syracuse, Rochester, Buffalo. That will be our weather tonight as well as early tomorrow. We are still seeing some sunshine, too. So if you are looking to get out, have at it this evening. Again, just be aware that there could be a brief shower here as we head into later this evening and tonight. By the way, that's a look in downtown Utica. Mosquitoes, well, they're still pretty active. It's going to take a frost to really knock the levels of activity down, although they will become less active over the next couple of evenings as we do cool off. It's said that it's 50 degrees, that when temperatures drop below 50 degrees, they start to slow down, but not always the case around here. The mosquitoes seem to be pretty tough. But again, as we do get those cooler nights, the activity should drop. And again, we've had some pretty high levels of activity with a wet August and a very warm September, at least so far. Barneveld, 66 degrees, Forestport, 64, Curtis Corner, 64 degrees. Across Southern Valleys, Cooperstown, Stewart with 64, Westford, 60 degrees, and Paynes Hollow with 66. A cold front came through today, and that continues to march to the east as a low pressure swings up the coast. This will bring some heavier rain to New England, but we're going to miss out on that. We'll see a few scattered showers tonight with generally mostly cloudy skies. Overnight lows drop to the mid-50s. Tomorrow it's a gloomy start to the day, but like today, we should see some sunshine in the afternoon. Showers are possible in the morning, but again, we do dry out later in the day. Breezy and cooler with high temperatures in the low 60s. Tomorrow night, the weather looks to clear out, and that sets the stage for a chilly night. Overnight lows are expected to drop into the low 40s to upper 30s. We're looking at lots of sunshine on Wednesday. It should be a beautiful day with high temperatures in the upper 60s. A few showers tonight, low of 54. A gloomy start to Tuesday, but the weather does turn. We should see some sunshine in the afternoon, and it becomes breezy. And a cool day with high temperatures in the low 60s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Sunshine Wednesday, 68. We've got to watch Wednesday night. An overnight low in town of 40, but the outlying spots may get into the mid-30s, so frost may be possible in some of the colder pockets of our area Wednesday night. Sunshine Thursday, 70, beautiful. Warming up to the mid-70s on Friday. First day of fall Saturday, 72. Temperatures remain near 70 with rain showers as we look ahead to Sunday and Monday. We'll be right back.
Now for a first look at your forecast at 6, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Turning out to be a pretty nice day after a gloomy start. The weather will be changing tonight with more scattered showers returning. Let's take a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are tracking a few showers moving into our area, especially across northern and central Oneida County. Some rain between Rome and Boonville, very slowly pushing to the east. This will affect eastern and northern Oneida County. This will pass north of the city of Utica before making its way into central Herkimer County. Again, more scattered showers expected as we head into this evening and tonight. Current temperature 65 degrees. The winds picked up. A cold front moved through earlier today, and we will be seeing some cooler weather in its wake as we head into tonight and tomorrow. Lingering clouds and showers around overnight as well as early tomorrow, but the weather looks nice as we head later into this week. Lots of sunny days ahead, consecutive sunny days beginning Wednesday, the first day of fall officially on Saturday. A passing shower or two this evening, temperatures in the low 60s. We're tracking some nice weather later this week. Look at the forecast coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. We're following breaking news out of Herkimer.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Good evening. We are tracking a few scattered showers approaching from the west. We'll see more of these tonight and into early tomorrow. So if you're heading out this evening, not a bad idea to just kind of keep an eye on the sky. We are enjoying a lot of sunshine mixed in with a few of these showers too, so they won't be enough to really ruin the evening if you are planning on going out. More scattered showers again approaching from the west. These will be around overnight and into first thing Tuesday morning. We do have some cooler weather on the way. A live look in downtown Utica. Again, seeing some sunshine, some breaks in the overcast, and again, turning out to be a nice day after a gloomy start. Scattered showers continue tonight and into first thing tomorrow. In the wake of a cold front, we will have some unsettled weather around early tomorrow, but then the weather does improve. We'll see northwest winds start to clear us out in the afternoon. The rain chances go down, and the weather should be pretty nice later in the day. Dry weather tomorrow night, as well as Wednesday, a return to abundant sunshine. Best days to cut the lawn, Wednesday and Thursday, as the weather dries out. Again, tomorrow with the rain around, not the greatest day. Our mowcasts by the way, is brought to you by Clinton Tractor. In the 60s across central New York from our Skywatchers checking in. Boonville, Marge with 66. Yorkville, 69 degrees. Erican Inlet, 65. Across Southern Valleys, Cassville, Helen with 66. Eaton, also 66 degrees. And Morris checking in with 65. We do have a cold front that moved through today. That is teaming up with low pressure, moving up the coast, producing some heavier rain in New England. That moves away from us. But we will see a few scattered showers in the wake of this approaching from the west. And again, tonight we're looking at partly to mostly cloudy skies. A few passing showers are expected. Overnight lows drop down into the low 50s. Cloudy, a gloomy start to Tuesday, but the weather will slowly improve. Still some scattered showers around at noontime, but the weather does improve. We'll see breaks in the overcast. Temperatures do climb into the low 60s, so it will be a noticeably cooler day. Skies clear out tomorrow night, and it's expected to be a chilly night. We're looking at overnight lows in the low 40s. Wednesday, sunshine. Looks like a beautiful day. The winds become lighter. Temperatures climb into the upper 60s. Tonight, a few showers around, a low of 54. Tomorrow, clouds give way to some sunshine. Again, some showers are possible in the morning. A cooler day with highs in the low 60s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday look really nice. Plenty of sunshine, but we do have to watch Wednesday night. Down to 40 in town. The outlying spots may get into the mid to upper 30s, so frost might be possible Wednesday night. We'll get back to you on that. Temperatures in the low 70s on Friday, first day of fall on Saturday. We'll be right back.
Forecast, we bring in Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. And believe it or not, fall is coming. You can kind of feel it outside.
Yeah, the official start of fall is Saturday, the 23rd of September, a little bit later this year compared to other years. And remember, the first day of fall is all about the sun, it being directly overhead at the equator on Saturday, as we're halfway between winter and summer, between the solstices. Let's take a look at the forecast. It is going to feel more like fall. It's been feeling more like fall lately, which is very typical. Temperatures continuing to cool off tonight. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. A couple of sprinkles are out there this evening. We are looking at partly to mostly cloudy skies across central New York, which is a little bit of a bummer because the northern lights are becoming semi-active tonight, but I don't think it's going to be something we're going to have an easy time seeing here with the cloud cover. Current temperature is 58 degrees. We are getting some clearing at Griffiths and Rome. Tonight, we're expecting overnight lows to drop down into the low 50s. So good night to leave the windows open and cool off the house. We've got a couple of nicer days ahead, but tomorrow, kind of similar to today, starting out gloomy but finishing a little bit nicer. We've got to look at the 7-day forecast. A lot of sunshine in it, too, when that's coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. Decision 2024. Former President.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening and welcome back. We are keeping an eye on the northern lights. There's a geomagnetic storm that's taking place tonight, and that is something that creates the northern lights. A little bit of extra energy from the sun interacting with Earth's atmosphere sometimes creates very colorful skies. The conditions for this are marginal, which means it's going to be just enough where we might be able to see this. But the other issue we have tonight is, of course, the cloud cover, which would become problematic. I think the best time to look at this would be before midnight. And what you're going to want to do is have access to either the internet or an app. You're looking for a very specific KP number. The KP index is the way to figure out how active it is, and we're looking for numbers 6 or higher. And since this happens so quickly and with very little warning, you're going to have to be paying close attention to this. You're going to be looking to the north, away from city lights. And again, cloud cover is going to make it tough tonight, but it might be possible. So again, something to keep in mind if you're feeling adventurous tonight. Could be a night to do that. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Decreasing clouds from earlier today. A couple of sprinkles will be returning to our area as we head into late tonight and early tomorrow. A live look in downtown Utica. The weather looking pretty quiet. Our rain chances will increase late tonight. Some showers around in the morning. The showers will go away in the afternoon, and we're looking at dry weather heading into tomorrow night as well as Wednesday. Best days to cut the lawn this week? Well, you have several days, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Tomorrow won't be quite as nice with some showers around in the morning. I just don't think we're going to get a chance to really dry out. Our Mowcast is brought to you by Clinton Tractor. So to our east, we have low pressure, which is producing quite a bit of rain in New England and Maine. This area of low pressure is going to move to the east. And technically, this would be considered a nor'easter. Of course, it's the warm type, which is all rain. But again, that low pressure system, again, not really impacting our local weather. It will bring us some wind tomorrow afternoon. We're mostly cloudy tonight. Overnight lows drop down into the mid-50s. We're dry early in the morning, but again, a couple of showers are possible through around noontime. And then the weather dries out, sky conditions clear out, the breeze picks up. It's a cool day, but it should be pretty nice. And we're expecting clear skies tomorrow night, cool weather. Really nice weather on Wednesday, plenty of sunshine. A few showers tonight down to 54. Tomorrow, showers in the morning, turning breezy in the afternoon, some sunshine. Cooler with a high of 63. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Sunshine Wednesday and Thursday. Beautiful weather heading into the weekend. Temperatures in the 70s, which is above average.
That's a nice Friday night for football.
Another one, 2 in a row.
I'll take it.
Yeah.
And you know what? The first one wasn't too bad either. Yeah, sprinkle here and there, but it was not too bad.
Yeah.
All right, thanks, Bill. Coming up next, could there actually be forecast? We bring in Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis. So, can we see the northern lights tonight? That is the big question.
I was able to sneak out of the station for a little bit right before the newscast.
Okay.
Looking to the north, I was able to see a very faint glow. Now, you've got to be looking really hard for it. You have to be in an area that is far away from city lights. You have to have a wide open view to the north, and when you're looking out, should be able to see a faint glow. That's the northern lights. We have a geomagnetic storm taking place. So if you're patient and if you have a little bit of luck, you might be able to spot this tonight. It's expected to continue overnight. Your best bet is to go out sooner than later because we do have some clouds that are expected to return to central New York tonight. So good luck if you are heading out and giving it a shot. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Again, some clearing taking place this evening, and we have mostly clear skies out there for the time being. Some clouds will be returning, though, heading into tonight. Our current temperature is 56 degrees. Tonight, overnight lows drop down into the low 50s with increasing clouds, and we'll be seeing a few showers here first thing tomorrow morning. Kind of a gloomy start to our Tuesday, but the weather does improve. We actually have a nice stretch of weather ahead. Look at that forecast coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. Decision 2024.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Good evening. We have a geomagnetic storm taking place tonight. That means there's extra solar activity, and some spots might be able to catch a glimpse of the northern lights tonight. We're right on the threshold of being able to see that. And skies are expected to become cloudy tonight. So if you do want to catch this sooner than later, it would be better. And again, look to the north and be away from city lights. You have to be in a very, very dark area away from light pollution if you're going to have any chance to see this. And what you're looking for is just a very faint glow in the northern horizon. You might even be able to see the clouds defined by that glow. And this type of scenario is not going to be really spectacular. It's not a really big event, but again, they're always full of surprises. It's always fun and frustrating to be able to try and spot these across central New York. Our window of clear skies is closing. We can see a couple of showers starting to develop to the west on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Those clouds will be arriving tonight. It's a live look in downtown Utica. Again, looking at the chance of rain as we head into tomorrow morning. And by rain, I mean a few light showers around. It's a gloomy start to Tuesday. Clouds, a few sprinkles. We will eventually see some sunshine later in the day with improving conditions. Clear skies tomorrow night, clear skies on Wednesday. Lots of sunshine is in the forecast. Better days to mow the lawn, Wednesday and Thursday. Much better compared to tomorrow with, again, some wet weather around early. Our Mowcast is brought to you by Clinton Tractor. Low pressure to our east is producing some rain in New England because it's tracking along the coast. It is technically a nor'easter. Of course, it's not producing any snow. It's just the name given to the track of the storm. Looking to the west, where our weather is coming from, we've got some clouds on the way, and those clouds will be building in tonight. Overnight lows drop down into the low 50s. It's a gloomy start to the day tomorrow. Those low gray stratus clouds will be around, but we should see some sunshine later in the day. Beginning in the afternoon, some breaks in the overcast, breezy conditions kicking in, temperatures climb into the low 60s. Clearing out tomorrow night, chilly, we're down into the low 40s. Plenty of sunshine on Wednesday, a beautiful day. High temperatures climb into the upper 60s. A few showers tonight, down to 54 tomorrow. Showers in the morning, turning breezy in the afternoon. Some breaks of sunshine, temperatures in the low 60s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Beautiful on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Even into the start of the weekend. First day of fall on Saturday, 72. Some showers are possible looking ahead to Sunday and Monday.
Perfect days to get out and do things. Whether you, I mean, it's still a little too early to rake, but just go out, maybe do some apple picking or just do some stuff with the family next 4 or 5 days.
Yeah, and the leaves are starting to turn, so you can get an early start on fall color.
Head up north.
Yeah.
Should be fun. All right, thanks, Bill. Well, I bet you didn't know this